Hello and welcome to my very first YouTube video. This video features a slingshot rifle of my own design. What I'll do is give you a brief description of the construction and the materials, and then a quick overview of how it operates, and then I'll shoot it. So thanks for checking it out, and I hope you like it. This is the sling rifle. It is made of 1-inch PVC. I'm currently using 3/8 inch tubes. It can accept 4 tubes and a store-bought release mechanism with a trigger down here. Shooting 3/8 inch steel ball bearings at the moment, but can experiment with bigger ones. I also have a laser sight with the button down here. As you aim, you push it and there you go. So this works by sliding the trolley forward, putting the ball into the pouch, loading it into the release, and then while bracing with your feet right about here, you slide the trolley, pull the trolley back till it locks in place here. Now it's ready to shoot. So let's go ahead and shoot it. Please stay tuned for upcoming videos of other incredible homemade weapons like this amazing blowgun, which I converted to compressed air. It's super powerful and absolutely deadly. And check out these explosive potato guns that are propane fueled and have a unique electronic ignition trigger. Other videos will follow in the RC category, which include homemade drones, a custom designed electric power pod for a 10-foot glider, and a jet-powered flying wing. Thanks again, and check back soon.